Hello. Welcome to MakeErrors.com. Have you ever thought that you can create your own QR code? If no, let me explain you how it can be done. First, we need to import ttkthemes module to create a window. Next, import ttk from ttkthemes for various themes. Now let's create an object of ttkthemes and add a title to it. Now it's time to prompt the message for user, so I have created a label in root object. Next, if user need to give input for the prompt, he needs an entry field for it. To store the text, I have created a string variable called URL. If you want any other theme, you have to install a Python package called ttkthemes in terminal or CMD. To show the QR code, I have created another label for it in root object. However, this label is now empty. We need to insert an image. That is QR code. To accomplish that task, we need to tell programs, so I have created a button for it in root object. Oh, there is an error. To debug this error, we need to create a function sub for this button. First declare a global variable image. If not, this function is useless. To create a QR code we need to install another two Python packages called pyqrcode and pypng. Then we need import pyqrcode package. I am creating a QR code in PNG format, in order to insert the image easily, into the label created earlier. Then open the image. Store in the above global variable. Don't forget to pack all the widgets into the window. Now our application is ready. First type in the URL you want. Then click on Submit button. You are awarded with your own QR code.